Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's Ron. I got another video for you before we get started. You know, only about 4% of the people that watch these videos actually subscribe. Do me a favor. Let's see if we can get it up to at least 50%. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and that notification button to get all the updates and all the videos I put out. Now, guys, this is a disclaimer. Persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. This happened on 1/27 of 2024 at Gasparilla in Florida, where a pirate crew was pulled over by the FWC. And let's just take a look at that video.
Recording. How you doing, Captain? Boats in neutral?
Sorry?
Boats in neutral?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get tied off. We'll do a quick safety inspection, okay? Okay?
Sounds good.
You guys having a good day?
Good. Yeah, how you doing?
Awesome. I don't see anybody sunburned. That's good. Maybe you a little bit.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
The line on the top, the top. On the
Here.
bottom of the base, the top.
Oh, they're checking out.
Alright, Captain, I'm going to see registration, life jacket, everyone on board, and a fire extinguisher, okay? Let's let Captain get to it.
Over there.
No. Hey, guys.
We just want the captain to do everything for us so we make sure it's safe, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
Sorry, I thought I could get directions.
What is it we do?
Hey, I've never been that cool before, but my brother-in-law is popping and roping around North Beach. He does boat control.
Nice.
Captain Roper.
I'm not from this area, so I'm just.
Oh, I was trying to throw names or whatever.
I don't work this county, but we're here because Gasparilla, just like you guys.
Yeah. I was trying to tell my brother-in-law does North Beach boat control.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta get under this hatch to get the other information on it. There's one fire extinguisher, and I got another fire extinguisher back there. I keep one in the bow because normally the fires start back there.
I'm gonna want to see it. I got it. There's a gauge on there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, don't let it go off.
If I ever got pulled over in water, I was like hoping it's like name dropped to my
He's good.
husband and stuff.
Trying to
It
get
didn't
my
work at all.
registration out of here.
I don't know if Hillsborough and Pinellas are like any joint kind of things unless you're like on South Beach.
My registration is back there.
Okay.
I thought it was in that, but it's not.
Maybe.
Normally I keep this in my box.
Sorry for that. Apologize.
There's my registration, and I'm pretty sure that's not going to be enough to cover any.
It's just
Expired?
registration. We're not the mop.
Is it on there too? Do you have a horn on your boat too? Sound producing
I
device?
have a horn and a whistle.
You got this side?
I don't think you're allowed to help me, buddy.
All right, I'm not. I'm just asking a question.
There's one on
I want to
my
watch them.
thing right here.
Cool.
That's my disconnect, which I always wear that. I fell off the boat one time on a lake. I
Hey,
ran that beach.
can you mind stepping over here for me?
And I got another whistle up there, and then I got my horn there.
Cool. Can you step over here for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for that.
I just want to make sure you're getting home safe, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You mind hopping on our boat for a minute? And just perform some tasks to make sure you're good to get home safe.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
I just want to get home safe. I can see where that's going.
I want you to go home safe too. You can't come over and do some tasks for us? I just want to make
Is
sure
this
you're getting home safe.
optional, or-
I'm asking you.
I would say no.
Well, he can ask, or he can answer for himself.
I don't.
But based off of what I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing some signs of impairment, okay? But if we do some tasks, it can further, disseminate how my beliefs right now, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna think no. We did a safety check. I'm okay. We're off.
Okay, she's got reason to believe that she wants to check, make sure you're safe. If you say no to the task, which you're welcome to do, she can only take what she's seen so far in perspective whether she thinks you're impaired or not. So if you think that you're not impaired, this is the time to say, I'll take the test if you're comfortable with it, and then we'll go from there. If you're not comfortable with it, she can only base it on what she's seen so far.
I understand. I'm going to jail, ain't I?
I don't know. Did you?
If
Yeah,
look,
but if I say
listen.
no, then you go to jail.
If you take
That's
the task,
pretty much how it is. If you take the test, then it adds validation to what you're trying to do.
if you're not impaired, then there should be a problem, right? So you should be able to take the task.
We already did a safety check, and we did a fire extinguisher check, and we did
But
all these
we
other
didn't-
checks, and I've not been impaired. I'm not stumbling around. I'm talking, and I'm good. I'm fine. We don't need to take it to the next level. I'll go home right now. I will pack it in and take it home right now. We don't need to go to the next level, guys.
We're just on our way.
I promise. I'm from Tampa. I've been born and raised here. I've been coming down here my whole life.
That's you.
I will disappear, and you guys can have a great night. You won't see me again.
Based off of what I see right now, I see impairment, okay? But look, if you do the tasks, it's to work in your favor, right?
No, they don't work in your favor.
Okay, well then
I've
if you
seen
don't think
those
so,
videos.
either way you're gonna have to come on the boat.
At this point, we won't take the task. We'll just take you.
We'll just say,
That's what I said a minute ago. We're just going, aren't we?
Or you can take the task and you pass them and you go home on your boat.
can I ask you what the task was?
It's for him. It's
SMST. See if
Yeah.
he's impaired or not.
I was just trying to tell you guys, my brother-in-law's in North Beach, and you know,
Cool.
we don't want to get towed in. There's nothing going on with the vehicle. We're doing all right.
We're all just down here.
We're just almost,
having
we're
fun,
almost
guys.
like
We
we're
don't
going
need
to
to
Brixton
take it
River.
to the next.
We're just going to Brixton River. We're just going down a little bit.
I gotcha. Hey, grab one of those life jackets. Since you're gonna come on our boat, we're wearing life jackets too. Grab one and put it on, please. Yeah.
I was just asking, are you taking him like any discooperation or anything? Like, do you feel like he's like not able to drive us back to
Like
the
I said,
next
I see signs of
destination?
impairment, and I gave him the option to do tasks. And if he doesn't want to do it,
Your signs of impairment are?
yes, he's stumbling. His eyes are red and
No,
glossy.
before you guys pulled us over,
That's fine.
Before you guys
Prove,
pulled us
you know
over,
what?
was
Then
there
well,
anything that
you can
like,
prove
made
me
us-
wrong. You can prove me wrong.
No.
Before you guys pulled us over, was there anything that made us
You
seem
know
like
that I
we're
cannot.
incapable of driving?
All right, come. He's got a knife in his pocket.
Hey, Captain.
Take your knife off and set it down. Get it out of your pocket.
Sorry.
Anything else in your pocket that's gonna pinch or poke or stick anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. And do you have a wallet or a driver's license with you?
No, sir.
You have a wallet or anything?
No, sir.
Okay. You have a phone you want to take with you?
No, sir.
Okay. Come on, have you step up front. Step up front for me up there. Okay, step for you guys right now.
All right, go ahead. You don't want to do the tasks? I'll give you one more option. Do you want to take the task or not?
Darling, you're going to take me to jail no matter what. At this point, you already know that you're taking me to jail.
I'm giving you the option, right? Because I'm
To
allowed.
prove.
Yes or no? Okay, go ahead and stand up for me. There we go. It's gonna have to come a little bit high. Are those comfortable on you?
No, they're very tight.
Too tight?
Left or right?
Which one's too tight?
This one?
This one?
I need 2 cuffs, I can give you mine.
Okay, I can give him some leeway.
All we're trying to do is make sure that you're safe to operate the vessel. That's all we're trying to do. You go through the task, pass the task, that's it.
Yeah, then you can go home.
The test, I failed it.
Alright, go ahead and sit right here for me.
We went through.
Hey, sir, go ahead and sit right here.
I'm sorry, I was talking to him. Yes,
That's fine.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Panther 78, we're good.
We went through the task of the safety check, and I proved all of that, and you still went further.
Gloves? Gloves, thanks.
Take me, and that's that.
Okay. I do have to search you. Is there anything on you that's gonna stick me or hurt me? Nothing, no knives.
I've got necklaces underneath mine.
Okay. Anything I'm gonna find that I'm not gonna like? I ask everybody this, and I get the same response every time. Nothing?
No, ma'am.
Alright, go and stand up for me again.
It's not.
There's nothing under here?
You can take it off if you want, yes.
I don't really want to.
Nothing under there but a...
So this way. You said necklaces on here? That's it? That's all you... Okay. You didn't shove anything down here?
Oh, you want to take it off?
Nope. That's what I'm asking you, man. I'm just asking you. I'm trying to be nice. Okay, go and sit down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to be nice too.
Okay.
I'll be playing with you the whole way.
Okay.
Tickles.
28, 72, 28.
70, 28?
72, 28.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Are you?
Yep.
Born and raised?
Yes, sir.
Where are you? You're not from Tampa, though.
I'm not from Tampa, no. I'm from North Central Florida. Listen, I'm going to read you Miranda because that's the policy, okay? So you can just listen to me, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights?
No, I do not.
You want me to read it to you again?
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Okay? You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, ma'am.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me now?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Hey, Cap. I'm trying to turn your phone off here. What's the best way of going about? I don't want to burn out your battery, just in case you have to make a phone call. Okay.
Why do you have my phone?
Well, so you can call someone afterwards. If you don't want
So
to
you
take
have
the phone,
contact.
you have this. It's going to be harder for you to get in contact with someone.
Yeah.
How do you turn it
I
off?
guess so. That button right there?
This one here?
Yeah.
Hold it.
No, just tap it.
Tap it.
There you go.
Okay.
Can I talk to my crew, or?
Sure. You just stay there, but you can.
Yeah, I won't get up.
Yeah.
Wouldn't dream of it. All right. Yo, get everybody off the boat and head back to the house. All right.
The message Tony. The message calling.
All right. Oh, I know. It's gonna be a long time. Hey, drop the flags too. Don't forget about the flags going under the bridge. All right, love you guys. Take it easy.
How long you guys been out here? Huh?
That's one answer.
No.
Am I allowed to have my vape pen?
No. Is it on you?
know the answer to that
Well, you
question.
have. I didn't check on your life jacket.
No, it would be in my pocket if it was on me.
Off.
We're gonna ask you some questions, and then we can get you past that. Okay? We'll take good care of you. Right? Step on that curb, please. No, I don't know Debbie Curb. Table over here.
How you doing, man?
We're just here to make it more comfortable for you. Have a seat back there, please, if you don't mind.
You guys put work into this.
We try, you know.
Y'all were
Trying to make it nice
expecting
for you guys.
company, weren't you?
Yeah, have a seat. I got your chair.
Alright, we'll take this thing off.
Can't take it off, but we can double them up if you want. You have an extra set or no?
Double them up?
So it'll stretch your arms out so it won't hurt your back so much.
Oh, I thought you meant like put two of them.
No, man. We'll try. Is that what you need? So you want
Yeah,
that?
if you can-
Stand up for me.
I mean, I'm in a room full of cops, man. I'm not
Put it
going
on the
anywhere.
way up here.
Yes, sir.
Right there, okay?
Yes, sir. I won't move it. Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Not.
All right.
I didn't. Because I put the life jacket on, so I didn't do under. Take this crap off it.
Are you ready for it now? Oh, you got it.
No, I'm waiting. I need.
Okay. I don't know if yours is Bluetooth or not.
Too high. So
I got power over there for you too. You start running out of juice.
yeah, I got my hook up in my back. The printer died.